This is English Literature Web. I am Prof.L.B. Gayakawad talking on the round characters in the novel. So, at first I will say what is the round character. The round characters are opposite of the flat characters. We have seen that there are the two types of character. The first character is flat character and the second character is the round characters. So the round character is opposite of the flat character and the flat character is opposite of the round character. It means that these two characters are very different from each other as per their natures, behaviors, principles, thoughts, desires and emotions. So the round characters are opposite of the flat characters. They are not simple. Means these round characters are not simple characters. Means they are round. Round means they change their behaviors, their natures, their feelings, their desires day by day. Means they are not fixed on one principle. They change their principles also, or they change their discussions also, and that's why these characters are not the simple characters, but the flat characters are the simple characters. That is the point. They are complex by nature. Means these round characters are complex. Complex means we cannot understand them easily. We cannot guess about their behavior, about their nature, about their emotions easily. Means they are very complex, means difficult. Means what they will do, we cannot guarantee, and that's why they are complex by nature. They are not fixed on their principles. Now I want to say that these round characters cannot be fixed, or they are not fixed, or their principles are not fixed, and that's why here it is said that they are not fixed on their principles. Means they change their principles, they change opinions. Means as the time comes, as the second comes, or as the minute comes, they change their opinions, they change their thoughts as the situation changes. As the situation changes, means if the situation is unhappy situation, they will change their thoughts as per the unhappy situation, and if the situation is happy situation, they will change their thoughts as per the happy situation, and that's why these characters change their thoughts as per the situations, and thus sometimes they surprise readers tremendously. Sometimes these round characters surprise the readers tremendously. It means that the readers are very much surprised by these characters, because these characters do not sit at one place in the sense of the thoughts or desires. Always they change their feelings and desires and natures and principles, and that's why the readers are very much surprising about them. Means exactly the readers cannot tell about these characters. Means what these characters will do in next, they cannot say, and that's why the readers are always surprised by the behaviors of these round characters. They are dynamic. Dynamic means what? Sometimes they are different, and sometimes again they are different. Means we cannot guess about their talk. Means they will talk this and again they will talk that. Means we cannot guarantee about their talking also, and that is called the dynamic characters. And so these round characters are the dynamic characters, that is the persons of various qualities. Means these persons, these round characters have the dynamic qualities, means various qualities. Means they are the masters of the dynamic qualities. Means their qualities are very dynamic. They are different from inside and from outside. It means that inside they are very different and outside they are very different. It means that when they are outside, means when they are in the group of people, they will behave or they will talk differently, and in their inner side, means here in the heart, they will think differently. Means in the inner side and in the outer side, they are very different characters, so they are called the round characters, and they manage easily every situation. It is very correct. These characters manage everything easily because they are round. We can say that uh, uh, jalebi is there. What is the definition of the jalebi? We say the jalebi means round and stop. Means that jalebi is round and stop. It means that that jalebi has no corners. That jalebi has no corners. It means that jalebi has no rules and regulations. Means that jalebi becomes always round and round. Means that jalebi does not show its traits or its features, qualities. In this way, these characters are very difficult characters. They manage easily everything like that jalebi and goes through bad works more than good works. These characters always go with bad qualities. They are like the villain characters. They always do the bad qualities. They do not like always good qualities. It means that they turn to the bad qualities, and so they are the round characters. Means they are like the jalebi. Means they take a turn to the bad things, and that's why they are called the round characters, or the, I will say now, the bad characters. E.M. Foster defines this character in his book Aspect of the Novel. Aspect of the Novel is the book written by E.M. Foster. He has described all these characters in that book. For example, Mrs. Micawber in David Copperfield by Charles Dickens, written between 1849 and 50. This Mrs. Micawber is the character which is very round character, because this character changes her thoughts or her behaviors as per the situation, and that's why this Mrs. Micawber in David Copperfield is a very round character. And Becky Sharp is the character in William Thackeray's Vanity Fair, written in 1847 and 49. This Becky Sharp is also the character which is the best example of the round character. These character means, now again we are going ahead, that these round characters are very emotional characters. Means they think always emotionally, they think always sentimentally. They are not easy characters, they are not simple characters. They always involve themselves in emotionalism, and so these characters are very emotional. They change easily, and we don't tell anything exactly about these characters. Means the readers, the writers, the critics do not say or cannot say anything exactly. Means what will be the next point of this character, or what will be the next step of this character, or what this character will do in the next time, we cannot say about these characters, because these characters are the round characters. The readers know them easily as the writers talk much of them. Here is the very much important point, that the writer or the novelist paints these characters very detailed, and that's why we can talk about this character many things, and so the readers can understand easily about these characters. They are the main characters in the novel. Means they play the main roles. Means they can be the main heroes also, or they can be the main villains also, and that's why they are the main characters in the novel. They are the main in building the success of the novel. Means to make the novel successful, the role of these round characters is very important. And here today we have finished the topic round characters. Again, I will request you to like, to share and to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.